Zojak World Wide for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking to distribute your music globally, Zojak World Wide is a name you've probably come across. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Zojak is one of the first digital distribution companies to focus on reggae and Caribbean music, making it a niche platform for artists in these genres. The platform offers distribution to major stores like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Deezer, and Tidal. But here's what you need to know before signing up. One of the biggest advantages of Zojak is their personalized approach to distribution. Unlike larger distributors like DistroKid or TuneCore, Zojak provides more tailored support, especially for reggae, dancehall, and Caribbean artists. They claim to help artists get featured on playlists, secure press coverage, and even assist with royalty collection. However, this isn't guaranteed for every artist. You're more likely to benefit from this if you already have some traction or a solid fan base. Zojak operates on a revenue-sharing model. Instead of paying an upfront fee like many other distributors, Zojak takes a percentage of your royalties, usually around 20%. This can be a good or bad thing depending on your success. If you're just starting out, this might seem appealing because there's no upfront cost. But if you're generating significant streams, giving away a portion of your royalties can feel steep compared to flat fee services. Where Zojak shines is in its industry connections. They've built strong relationships with top platforms and media outlets in the reggae scene, which can give your music more visibility. But keep in mind, this isn't a magic solution. You still need quality music and a promotional plan. If you think simply signing with Zojak will make your music blow up, you're mistaken. Their services work best for artists who are actively investing in their growth. On the downside, Zojak's user interface and reporting tools aren't as transparent or advanced as some of the bigger platforms. You won't get real-time stats, and some users have reported delays in royalty payments. Additionally, their customer support can be hit or miss, which can be frustrating if you need quick assistance. In conclusion, Zojak World Wide is a solid option for musicians in the reggae and Caribbean genres, especially those looking for niche-specific support and connections. However, it's not for everyone. If you're after a straightforward, hands-off distribution service, platforms like DistroKid or CD Baby may be better. But if you're in the reggae scene and want a team that understands your music and has the right connections, Zojak could be a good fit. Just be prepared to give up a percentage of your royalties and take an active role in promoting your music.